Here are 3 different Nikon Z models to match any level. The Nikon Z50 is a great starter camera for beginners. With its lightweight body, 21 megapixel crop sensor, and vari-angle screen, weather-sealed 4K video and 1080p slow motion, it's a camera you can grow with. The Nikon Z6 Mark II is an amazing hybrid camera for those enthusiasts ready to step up their game. 25 megapixel full frame sensor, image stabilization, and full pixel readout in 4K. It's the perfect camera for those looking for something with dual capabilities, dual processors, and dual card slots. The Nikon Z9 is an absolute powerhouse. It has a 45 megapixel full frame sensor that can capture 30 frames per second and even 120 frames per second at 11 megapixels with no blackout. And then there's 8K internal video recording. The dual grip and tilting screen make this professional kit an ergonomic masterpiece and a worthy contender for any professional. To find a Nikon Z camera of your own, check out KEH.com.